Hello everyone, I am Deepak. Today I got the WR800 microphone from WRIGHT. I am going to unbox it along with a short review. If you are interested, keep watching. Okay, this is the box that comes with the microphone. The box is a little bit heavy because of the 250-gram mic. On the front side of the box you can see the model number, the items that comes with the box, where in the back much more accurate specifications are given. Okay, now let's open the box. When opening the box, the first two things you see are those a user manual and a warranty type card. Okay, inside of the box you can see the mic itself, shock mount, XLR cable and the USB data card. Now I am going to take everything out. Everything is covered in plastic. We can remove it. So this is what we get from the box. Now let's get into the microphone. The body of the mic is made up of steel net and some sort of zinc alloy as per the manufacturers. The material is looking rigid and hoping that it will meet my expectation. As you know, this is a Cardioid type condenser mic, so you should place the nameplate towards you to get maximum out of the mic. Let's place it here. The second thing comes with the package is the shock mount. This is also some kind of a metal. I think it can bear a little bit of load. The elastic also looks good. Let's place it here. One of the important thing that comes with the package is this USB data card or audio card. This mic definitely requires a phantom power or a USB audio card to work. There are two ports, one is for the speaker and another for the microphone. Okay, that's all about the sound card. Let's place it there. Now the last but not the least, the XLR cable. I don't see any problem. I hope it won't break it here. Okay, finally we can assemble everything together and test it with the PC. Let's see what happens. This is the sound panel without the mic look likes. After connecting the USB sound card to the PC, you can see a separate speaker option in the playback tab and a microphone in the recording tab. When you open the speaker tab, you can see a speaker level and a microphone level. You can adjust it as per your requirement. When going to the enhancement option, you can see bass boost, room correction type of options. These options are given for feedback at the moment you are recording. In the microphone, you can go to the listen tab. You can set anything you want here. Now going to the levels. The level is adjusted as per your requirement and your noise in your room. That is all about connecting microphone to the PC. Okay, this is the mic test with the mic volume of 0. I am approximately 2.5 inches away from the mic. The room is very quiet. There is no fan, nothing is on. Test 2 with 50% of mic volume. I am same place. Mic test 3 with 100% volume of mic. I am same place, no changes. Okay, this is mic test 4 with 100% volume with a working fan on my back. You can see there is a lot of noise and other noise are coming. Okay, this is test 5 with mic volume 50 and the fan is also running with some noises in the back. Okay, this is test 6 with the microphone volume 0. Fan is running, a curtain is moving with the wind of the fan. You can see the difference. My rating for this mic is 4 because the mic needs improvements in noise cancellation. My opinion is that if you are looking for a budget mic which can be used for your YouTube videos, small studio works, I think you should go for this. That's all about this mic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, keep supporting.